The Cooler Depot Commercial Range Oven and Griddle offers a powerful, heavy-duty cooking solution for commercial kitchens. Featuring 6 burners, each with 30,000 BTU/HR, you can easily tackle a variety of cooking styles, including boiling, sautéing, and simmering all at once. On the right side, a 24-inch wide, 28-deep griddle delivers 40,000 BTU/HR for grilling foods like steaks, bacon, or omelets. Whether you're in a busy restaurant or catering setting, this range is designed to handle it all. Check the price in the description below. Inside, the range offers 2 spacious ovens with U-shaped burners that provide 31,000 BTU/HR each. These ovens come with a thermostat that allows you to adjust the temperature between 250 degrees Fahrenheit to 550 degrees Fahrenheit, perfect for warming, baking, or roasting. The ovens also feature 4 chrome-plated racks that can be placed in 4 versatile positions, providing ample space for large batches of food. The porcelainized bottom of each oven makes cleaning a breeze, so you can focus on cooking. Built for durability, the Cooler Depot range is crafted from premium 304 and 430 stainless steel for the front and galvanized steel for the sides. The frame is welded for extra strength, and the removable cast iron grates, each measuring 12 inches by 12 inches, ensure easy cleaning and long-lasting performance. The range also includes a dual fuel system that works with both natural gas and liquid propane, making it versatile and convenient for any kitchen setup. It comes equipped with a 3/4-inch NPT rear gas connector for easy installation and a stainless steel pilot for safe and easy starting. For added convenience, the Cooler Depot range oven is designed with easy maintenance in mind. It features an anti-clogging pilot cover and a pull-out crumb tray with an angled handle, ensuring that keeping your equipment clean and operational is simple. The range also includes a thermal coupling safety valve for extra protection during use. When you purchase the Cooler Depot Commercial Range Oven and Griddle, you get a 1-year all-parts warranty and a 1-month labor warranty, so you can feel confident in your investment. If you encounter any issues with the burner or griddle, you can apply for a full refund within 30 days of delivery. This NSF/ETL certified range is an excellent choice for any professional kitchen. It offers the strength, performance, and versatility needed to handle the demands of a busy commercial kitchen. Check the price in the description below.